Hi, this is Charlie Thompson of TechCetera.com. That's TACHSCETERA.com. Today we're going to figure out how to take apart a 1 terabyte LinkStation Live network attached storage drive because I could not find a decent guide on doing this. This particular model is model LS-CH1.0TL. Right, first off, you're going to start on the back here. So let's get this oriented right. So this is top, bottom. All right, so we're going to flip it so the right side is up. And flip it around and then around so you can see. All right, so basically, so the writing is right side up. Then I need to take these stickers off of here. This will probably void your warranty, just so you know. You don't have to take them completely off. We just need them to not be stuck to the top half of the clamshell here. So I'll take the other ones off. Okay, so what you got here is you've got these two little clips hiding under here. So now you take a flat blade screwdriver, such as this one. Doesn't have to be quite that small. And we're gonna go in on the side that's facing me now, which I'm going to call the top. We're going to push in and down. Let's see how that clamshell separated like that. Okay, same thing for the other side. So top, in, and down. Except my sticker is sticking here. Now on the front side, it won't come open as far. All right. So this is what we're looking at right now. Here's the front, and this is the bottom of the unit. So we're just going to continue. Now, at this point, with this pried open, you can see on this side, if I can get my webcam to show it, see those little plastic clips right here and right here? You're going to need to push those in as well, okay? Meanwhile, keeping these clips from reclipping. So I'm going to push this clip in and pry open. And it's really just running the screwdriver along, just like this. Don't be afraid, it all snaps together. And you'll hear some popping, snap, crackle, and that's it. All right, now that we've gotten into the thing, this is what it looks like on the inside of mine. This is the terabyte, so there's the hard drive there, 1.0 terabyte. And so now my original purpose of this is removing the hard drive. So I'm just going to include that in the video as well. All right, now that we've got the case off of this LinkStation, we need to get the hard drive out. At least that's what I need to do. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. On the outside, there is a screw for replacing the fan. So you can see on the inside here, the fan is right here, right? The screw for the fan is right here, okay? So here's the fan screw right there. That actually also holds the hard drive in. So we're going to take a screwdriver, and this would be the top of the drive, right here. No, right here. Remove that. All right. Now once that's out, you want to orient this so that the fan, which is on this side, you just took out the screw right here, right? So the fan is facing you, right? Then I take this whole thing here and lift it out of the casing. Very, very carefully. Just like that. And I'm going to unconnect this fan connector as well here, which is just a simple white plug-in connector. So, little clip. Which is in there tightly, it would appear, so I'm going to use a screwdriver and push out that little clip. Alright, there we go. So here I have my fully decased LinkStation. Alright, so now over here there's a screw on the side that would be the back of the unit. By the ports here, there's a screw right there. They didn't blow their budget on screws in this thing, that's for sure. This is only the second one so far. Alright, so taking out the screw in the hard drive. Set that aside. Found 2 more screws. Okay, so take them out. All right, now, oh yeah, now you can feel it's really loose. Okay, so you're looking at, this would be the back with all the ports. On this side you can see where the connectors are going into the hard drive like that, and the board sticks out. So we want to push it this way, thus unplugging it from those connectors like so. Alright, this is what you have left. Fine little piece of circuit board here. And then you're down to a regular terabyte SATA hard drive, which you can use to make repairs to the unit or replace or whatever it is that you want to do with it. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.